for you, Dave. Got a 300 in front of me. I got a 430 behind me. Woo! Took his eyes off the trail for a second just to see where Kevin was. Almost went off the track because of it. Tight, flowy stuff. Whoop, whoop. Tight right. Woo! Woo! Front brake almost got me. Front brake almost got me. Woo! Front brake got me, and then my throttle pulled me out of it. Boy, I was like, woo!
Good shit.
Fucking front brake almost.
Yeah.
That front brake got me.
What a fucking.
And then the throttle pulled me out of it. Front brake, throttle.
Good shit.
Bro, we have got to drive up here, stage up here.